Jai Srimanarayana. 28th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yesham tvantagatam papam jananam punyakarmanam te dvandva moha nirmuktaha bhajante mam drudhavrataha. Om. Are you worshipping Sri Krishna Paramatma alone? Are you taking refuge in Sri Krishna Paramatma alone? If so, that means all your sins have come to an end. Keep worshipping Sri Krishna Paramatma alone with Paripurna Viswasam to enjoy this life, to attain Atma Darsanam, to enjoy Paramatma Darsanam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I am worshipping you alone. I am taking refuge in you alone to enjoy this life, to attain Atma Darsanam, to enjoy your Darsanam. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Skandham, Dasamaskandham, 47th day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Devaki Devi praying to Sriman Narayana like this: Hey Bhagavan, you please withdraw your Divya Mangala Vigraham, which has 4 shoulders, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padmas. Please withdraw this form." Like that, when Devaki Devi requested Paramatma saying like this, Oh my dear mother Devaki, Tvameva Purvasarge Abhuh Prashnihi Swayambhuve Sati Tadayam Sutapanama Prajapatihi Akalmashaha. In previous Swayambhuva Manvantaram, you are Prishni. Vasudeva is one of the Prajapatis, Sutapa. Chaturmukha Brahma ordered both of you to do Praja Srushti. Then both of you have done severe tapasya for 12,000 Divya Samvatsaras. Just while breathing and eating all the leaves, you both have done such a wonderful tapasya for which I felt very happy. Then tadavam paritushtaha aham amuna vapushe meeku naakungala roopu చూపి ఏనుదిరంబులగు వరంబులు వేడుండనినా. When I felt very happy with your tapasya, I showed you this form. I appeared to you in this form and asked, what boon can I grant you? Then you said, Madrusaha Vamvrutaha Sutaha Bhagavan, we want a son who is just like you. You both asked me that. Like that, Sriman Narayana talking to Devaki Devi. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter 28th श्लोका. येषां त्वन्तगतं पापं जनानां पुण्यकर्मणां ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ताः भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः. येषां त्वन्तगतं पापं जनानां पुण्यकर्मणां ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ताः भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः. श्रीमन्नारायणा करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.